Encouraging environmental conservation, our responsibility for a better future. The environment is one of the most valuable treasures we have, yet it faces many threats due to human activities. From deforestation and pollution to climate change and habitat destruction, the planet is suffering. It is crucial that we take responsibility for protecting the environment and ensuring a sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Environmental conservation is not just the duty of governments and large organizations. It is a shared responsibility that every individual must take seriously. Why environmental conservation matters? Environmental conservation is essential for maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Every living being on this planet, including humans, animals, and plants, depends on nature for survival. Clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, and a stable climate are all necessary for life. However, human activities such as industrialization, deforestation, and excessive waste production have led to serious environmental problems. If we continue to exploit natural resources without thinking about the consequences, we will face severe crises such as food shortages, water scarcity, and increased natural disasters. One of the biggest reasons we must conserve the environment is to combat climate change. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial pollution have significantly increased the levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to global warming. Rising temperatures cause extreme weather conditions, such as stronger hurricanes, prolonged droughts, and melting glaciers. If we do not take action now, the damage may become irreversible, making the planet uninhabitable for future generations. Biodiversity is another critical reason for environmental conservation. Millions of species of plants and animals contribute to a balanced ecosystem. However, human activities have caused the extinction of many species, and countless others are on the brink of extinction. When a species disappears, it disrupts the food chain and negatively impacts the ecosystem. By protecting forests, oceans, and other natural habitats, we can preserve biodiversity and maintain ecological balance. Ways to conserve the environment. There are many ways in which individuals and communities can contribute to environmental conservation. Even small efforts can lead to significant changes when practiced consistently. Here are some key steps that we can take. 1. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle, are fundamental principles of environmental conservation. By reducing waste, we can limit the amount of garbage that ends up in landfills and oceans. Simple actions, such as using reusable bags, bottles, and containers, can help minimize plastic pollution. Recycling materials like paper, plastic, glass, and metal reduces the need for raw materials and decreases pollution levels. 2. Save energy and water. Conserving energy helps reduce carbon emissions and slows down global warming. Simple actions such as turning off lights when they are not needed, using energy-efficient appliances, and switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can make a big difference. Water conservation is equally important. Fresh water is a limited resource, and millions of people around the world suffer from water scarcity. By fixing leaks, using water-saving appliances, and being mindful of water usage, we can reduce water wastage and ensure its availability for future generations. 3. Plant trees and protect forests. Forests are often called the lungs of the earth because they absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. However, deforestation is a major environmental problem, leading to the loss of biodiversity, climate change, and soil erosion. Planting trees helps combat deforestation, improves air quality, and provides habitat for wildlife. Communities and individuals can participate in tree planting programs and support conservation projects to protect forests. 4. Reduce pollution. Pollution is a significant threat to the environment and human health. Air pollution from vehicles and industries contributes to respiratory diseases and global warming. Water pollution from chemicals, plastics, and industrial waste harms marine life and contaminates drinking water. 4. Reduce pollution. Pollution is a significant threat to the environment and human health. Air pollution from vehicles and industries contributes to respiratory diseases and global warming. Water pollution from chemicals, plastics, and industrial waste harms marine life and contaminates drinking water. Soil pollution from pesticides and toxic waste reduces soil fertility and affects food production. To reduce pollution, we should use eco-friendly products, avoid single-use plastics, properly dispose of waste, and support policies that promote clean energy and stricter environmental regulations. 5. Support sustainable practices. Sustainability means meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. Supporting sustainable practices, such as buying eco-friendly products, choosing organic and locally grown food, and reducing meat consumption, helps protect natural resources. Businesses and industries must also adopt sustainable practices, such as reducing carbon emissions, using renewable energy, and minimizing waste production. 6. Educate and raise awareness. Education plays a crucial role in environmental conservation. Many people are unaware of the impact their actions have on the environment. By spreading awareness through schools, social media, and community programs, we can encourage more people to adopt eco-friendly habits. Teaching children about environmental conservation from an early age will help create a generation that values and protects nature. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. If we continue to exploit and destroy natural resources, we will face devastating consequences. However, if we take responsibility and commit to sustainable living, we can restore the planet's health and create a better world for future generations. Imagine a future where forests are thriving, oceans are free from plastic waste, wildlife is protected, and cities run on renewable energy. This future is possible if we work together and prioritize environmental conservation. Environmental conservation is not just the responsibility of governments, scientists, or environmental organizations. It is the responsibility of every single person. The actions we take today will determine the world we leave behind for future generations. We must shift our mindset from exploitation to preservation, from pollution to sustainability, and from neglect to care. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the greater goal of protecting our planet. The Earth has given us everything we need to survive. Now it is our turn to give back by respecting, protecting, and conserving it. Let us all take a stand for the environment and work towards a future where nature and humanity can coexist in harmony. Living in a beautiful environment is a blessing that enhances our quality of life. A clean and green environment provides us with fresh air, clear water, and a harmonious connection with nature. It is a source of peace, happiness, and well-being. Our surroundings influence our health, mood, and overall life experience. When we live in a well-maintained and pollution-free environment, we can enjoy life to the fullest and appreciate the wonders of nature. We are fortunate to live in a beautiful environment filled with natural wonders. It is our responsibility to protect and preserve it for future generations. By making small but meaningful changes in our daily lives, we can ensure that our surroundings remain clean, green, and vibrant. Let us cherish and safeguard our beautiful environment so that we and future generations can continue to enjoy its beauty and benefits. Together, we can make the world a better place to live. A clean environment is essential for a healthy and happy life. It provides fresh air, clean water, and a peaceful atmosphere that allows us to thrive. When our surroundings are free from pollution and waste, we feel more energetic, focused, and at peace. Loving and protecting a clean environment is not just a responsibility, but also a way of showing gratitude for the beauty and resources nature offers us. Loving a clean environment means taking action to protect it every day. It is not just about personal benefits, but also about ensuring a better future for all living beings. Raising awareness and encouraging others to participate in conservation efforts can create a long-lasting impact. When we care for nature, nature cares for us. A clean environment brings happiness, health, and harmony to our lives. Let us work together to keep our world clean and green for future generations. A clean environment brings happiness. A clean environment has a direct impact on our happiness and well-being. When we live in a pollution-free, green, and organized space, our minds feel more at ease and our health improves. A clean environment reduces stress, provides fresh air, and allows us to connect with nature. Walking through a park filled with blooming flowers, hearing the birds sing, and breathing in clean air bring peace and joy. Moreover, cleanliness fosters a sense of pride and responsibility in communities, encouraging people to care for their surroundings. A well-maintained environment enhances social harmony, as people feel happier and more connected in a beautiful and clean setting. A world with clean rivers, green forests, and healthy cities creates an atmosphere of positivity and hope. Future generations will also benefit from our efforts to maintain cleanliness and protect nature. By working together to keep our environment clean, we ensure a happier and healthier life for everyone. Loving a clean environment means taking action to protect it every day. It is not just about personal benefits, but also about ensuring a better future for all living beings. Raising awareness and encouraging others to participate in conservation efforts can create a long-lasting impact. When we care for nature, nature cares for us. A clean environment brings happiness, health, and harmony to our lives. Let us work together to keep our world clean and green for future generations.